Itutur ko kayo ngayon sa Elements Residences. This is our driveway. Yan. Our project is located at Shaw Boulevard. This is our lobby. Naka-tiles na yan. Naka-fully equipped na po lahat. And then, we have our 4-speed elevator. Yan. Numbers ng unit, hallways. Yan, naka-countertop, naka-base cabinet, naka-overhead cabinet. Naka-white paint na po yan. Yan. Pangganda, no? Nung nag-view kami dyan, ang ganda talaga, nakaka-amaze. Yan yung hallway natin. This is the ramp. Ganda, no? Yan yung sky pool. Ito naman yung quiet zone at saka study area. This is our mini coffee bar. Ayan naman po yung sa mga kids. Ayan naman po yung push and play, collective box. And this is our music room. And this is our mini theater or more movie room. Ayan naman po yung fully equipped gym natin. This is our running track sa mga cardiovascular activities. Ito naman po yung function hall natin kapag mga malalakihang event. Ayan naman po yung basketball half court natin. Our project is Elements Residences.
So ito po yung one bedroom natin, silver unit. 23 square meter. Ideal siya sa mga young professionals. Pagpasok natin, ito yung actual turnover ng toilet and bath. So meron na siyang shower enclosure, shower heads, lavatory. Then dito sa living area, across yan ng dining hall. Remove mo lang yung furnitures at fixtures. Yun po yung unit nyo. So yung walls between units is AEC blocks. Walls between rooms, gypsum painted board. Then, sa kitchen natin, overhead cabinet, kasama na. Countertop, faucet sink, and base cabinet. Sa bedroom natin, kasama natin is, meron tayong free na closet. So, ito po yung one bedroom unit natin.